Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how do you do? So my loves, I wanted to talk about the Rustenburg Film Festival. I'm getting ready, and yeah, it just really means a lot to me that there's a Rustenburg Film Festival. Let's see if I can do this let me see if I can talk while I put on eyeliner. Guys, don't judge my method. I think I just wing it makeup. As someone who comes from Rustenburg and we've never had things like this is amazing. It's amazing to know we don't have to go to the city to like find nice things like film festivals. So I don't know if I can talk and do my makeup at the same time. Actually, I'm gonna try my best. Already I've made a mistake. So you know what I do with mistakes, I make them work. Really artistic, you work with what you've got. Being from a space whereby we are so talented and we are so skilled, mara ga rena di resource, you know, ga rena platform ya go share our talents, ya go share our skills. I went to the city in search of the arts, and it's like, why must you do that? Why can't you pursue the arts like from where you're from, you know? So last night we watched a couple of films, had a couple of discussions. So it's gonna be a fun weekend of film festival things, workshop things, and yeah, join me as I show you guys my hometown and who'll be there. And growing up, there weren't like artistic things to do. You couldn't go to an art gallery or watch a theater production unless it's like a school theater production. And you go to the city in search of all of these things. But why? Because I think talent and the richness of like culture comes from towns. So I'm so excited to be attending a film festival in my hometown. Yo, Rustenburg, what's good? I'm gonna be attending some seminars and some talks this weekend. Gonna be chatting to a lot of talented people, a lot of skilled people, and yeah, let's just have fun. So I think I want to finish off this look with something. I'm feeling like doing like maybe like dots or something that is different. Let me just fix my crown. Yes, I think that's a bit of it. I'm not like a makeup guru. I'm an artist. I use my face as a canvas and I have fun. Times are changing. Things aren't the same. Time changes things, and the theme of the Rustenburg Film Festival this year is evolve. And I definitely feel like my hometown is evolving. I definitely feel like the art space is evolving. I definitely feel like a necessary change and shift is happening, you know? And I think it's for the better. You just need to be ready and align yourself. You just need to be ready and align yourself for the great things that are happening. So this one is nice, now this like pencil situation we've got going on, but I don't want to lie. If I want to do like a straight line, I think I prefer this, and I think let's mattify it. I'm using a vegan eyeliner. I've never done this before. I don't know if I can get a straight line on the face, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm good. I had a workout session this morning. Ke kukile di tshipi. Ke di prepare. for all the hard-hitting questions I'm going to ask people in the industry. So let me show you all my fit. So it's just going for a green look, just going for a green feel. I'm in my Nefertiti Essence Queen Nefertiti hood this, and I'm just gonna put some rings on, then be drinking some green tea before we head out for the system. You know what I'm trying. This is something that I How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
It's always lovely to see you.
Good to see you.
I'm excited.
But it's important that we see that 24% of directors, writers, editors, cinematographers working in the top 25 grossing films, right, were down after the movement in 2021 in terms of representation. And this is according to the celluloid report, which has checked women's empowerment in the film industry for the last 25 years. We advocate for transformation, we advocate for empowerment of women, and mainly in the representation in front of, particularly behind the camera.